How to secure your WhatsApp with two-step verification. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to secure your WhatsApp account using two-step verification, an extra layer of protection to keep your chat safe. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the three dots in the top right corner. If you are on Android, then select settings. If you are on iPhone, tap the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on account option. Tap two-step verification. Then click on this turn on option. Choose a 6-digit PIN you'll remember. This PIN will be required when you register your new number with WhatsApp again, and add a recovery email address. This helps you reset your PIN if you forgot it. This step is optional but highly recommended. And that's it. This is how you secure your WhatsApp with two-step verification. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.